There is a process known as excitotoxicity that is present in our brain. What that means is a very large number of positive ions like calcium go inside the neurons, and that actually is harmful. That can actually cause diseases like bipolar disorder, depression, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. So, if a neuron is overstimulated, it can actually do a lot of bad things to neuron. You are like neuron as well. Do not get overstimulated by the external world around you, or else you already know, because you already have anxiety and panic attacks because you react too much to your external world. You forget that this external world of yours is actually non-physical. If you take an atom and you study that atom in extreme detail, what you're going to find is 99.99999% of that atom is just energy and information. So what you can perceive through your five senses in your external world is just 0.00001% of reality. Everything else is just energy and information. The universe is entirely spiritual. What you perceive as matter is just a congregation of spirit. Spirit means that conscious energy. Do not think that I'm talking about some woo-woo things. No, a very reputed science journal, Nature, has declared that this universe is entirely spiritual and mental. So please start to live and enjoy as if this universe is completely made up of energy and information. When you can understand that this universe is not to be taken seriously, that the external circumstances that you're facing currently is just made up of matter, it is just material things that are actually troubling you. Your girlfriend broke up with you, somebody is insulting you, you're going through a financial crisis, you're going through a health crisis. These are all material things, which means they are not real. Spirit, or the source, or the quantum field, or the energy field, is the sole governing agent of everything material that is present in our world. You are controlled by the source energy. Your physical universe is controlled by your source energy, by the source energy. Actually, you cannot claim your ownership to the source energy, because you are a manifestation of that source energy. Every one of us is a manifestation, is a condensation in matter form of that source energy. We are the source energy ourselves. So if you can understand that, then there is no reason for you to be overstimulated by the tragic circumstances that happen inside of your world, because you can simply close your eyes and tap into your source energy, tap into the divinity that is present within you, and create or attract the life that you desire. You can attract a life where you are waking up in the morning and you just have a big smile on your face instead of heart palpitation and racing thoughts in your head. You can attract a life where your friends and family are complimenting you on how peaceful and how relaxed you are lately. You can have a world where you're dating a beautiful girl and she is complimenting you on how powerful and how relaxed of a person you are. But that all starts by simple understanding that this physical world of yours is not real. It is a projection of your own mind. Write the new programs in your own mind, and your physical world is completely changed. And the first step of writing your program, writing the program that you desire in your own mind, is Yoga Nidra, or non-sleep deep rest protocol. Both of these things mean the same. What that means is you just put your attention all over your body one by one until you achieve a state of relaxation. When that happens, your brain will start to create these slow, coherent alpha waves and theta waves, which are very healing waves that will heal you. And when your brain is producing these alpha waves, you can imagine a wonderful life for you, where all the things are working out for you perfectly. And through enough mental rehearsal of this imaginal act, You can actually program yourself to become a happier version of yourself, to become a person who is completely free from panic attacks, and you will become a magnet for all the wonderful circumstances in your life. So please understand that your physical universe, your physical personal world is not real. It is just an extension of your mind, because this universe is entirely spiritual and mental. So take care of your mind, and the spirit is naturally going to manifest itself into wonderful material circumstances in your life. Now, if you want one-on-one personalized coaching from me, where I will hold your hand to success and you will get rid of panic attacks completely, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box down below and also the pinned comment section down below. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.